Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to answer for you a question on numbers. Particularly, the question is divided into two parts. The first part, A, is talking about interests, and the second part is talking about percentages. So let's start. The question says, Jenny invests $8,500 for 3 years in a saving account. She gets 2.3% per year compound interest. How much money will Jenny have in her savings account at the end of 3 years? Give your answer correct to the nearest dollar. So we have the principal is 8,500. We have the period is 3 years. We have the rate is 2.3. And the question is compound interest. So what is the amount? The amount is the law principal multiplied by 1 plus r over 100 to the power t. This gives me 8,500 multiplied by 1 plus 2.3 over 100 to the power 3. If you put this on the calculator, the answer will be 9,100.0929. He says he wants the answer correct to the nearest dollar. So we are going to round this to the nearest dollar, which is round to the nearest units. The first decimal place is 0, so it's going to be 9,100. That's the answer to part A. Let's go to part B. Part B says, Rami bought a house on 1st of January 2015. In 2015, the house increased by a value 15%. Then in 2016, the house decreased in a value 8%. On the 1st of January 2017, the value of the house was $687,700. What was the value of the house in the 1st of January 2015? So let's understand our problem. We have a house that in 2015 was bought, and there was an increase 15%, increase equal 15% in 2016, and then a depreciation in the price by 8%, depreciation equal 8%, which means that the price has decreased in 2016. Then what is the price? And the price was 687,700. So what is the original price of the house? I will name it X. So what is X? So we have here the multipliers. We have here to know the multipliers. We have the common equation, which is that the amount in 2017, the amount of the house, which was 687,700, is equal to the price of the house in 2015 multiplied by the multiplier by a certain multiplier. So we have the final amount is the initial amount. The final amount in 2017 is the initial amount in 2015 multiplied by a multiplier. So to get the multiplier, we need to look to the question. We have in 2015 an increase equal 15%, which means that the first multiplier is 115%, which is 1.15. Then in 2016, there was a depreciation by 8%. So the multiplier is 92%. Then 92% is 0.92. Like this, the overall multiplier is equal to 1.15 multiplied by 0.92. This is going to give us 1.058. So the overall multiplier is 1.058. Let's return to the equation. The equation says that the amount 687,700 is equal to the initial price, which is X, multiplied by the overall multiplier, which is 1.058. So if we divide both sides by 1.058, this is an equation in X. We get that X is equal to 687,700 over 1.058, which is 650,000. So the price of the house was 650,000 in 2015, and then it increased by the end of 2015 by 15%, and then it decreased by the end of 2016 by 8%. So the overall multiplier was 1.058. And then we multiply this by the price of the house. We get the final price. He wants the price of the house. So the final price is the price of the house. So the price of the house is the final price divided by the multiplier. Now the answer is X equal 650,000. We write it here. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, I hope this question was understood, and thank you for watching. Looking forward for your comments, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.